Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial. My name is Oliver Berger, and I'm a product manager at Snow Software. Today I'll show you how to upload additional files to your installation package using Package Builder on Snow Atlas. You can now upload additional files not connected to the scanning modules. Here are some examples for common use cases. Here is an example how to control the Linux scan schedule. And here is an example for a more complex installation task with adding a group, a user, and finally adding a cron job for the Snow agent in the new user's context. Okay, let's dive into it. I'll fast forward through the common parts of the agent configuration directly to the Upload Additional File section. You will find it on the main page after you selected the package name, the product name, and the version. Add the prepared agent configuration file, and there we are. First, you need to activate the section with the toggle. Then a box appears where you can add the desired files. Every file will be scanned for malware and viruses. If the package builder prevents you from uploading your file, this is probably because you are using a file name that is reserved for files and scripts maintained by Snow. Change the name or find the right place to upload the file or script in the scanning modules section instead. Examples are the size.config file for the Snow inventory Java scanner or the keys.csv from the collect custom registry keys scanning module. So in this case, we will just add the size config to the right place. If you edit a file accidentally, you can remove it using the delete button. After you edit all files, you just start the build. Now the malware scan starts and you can follow the status of the build without refreshing your browser. If you have added non-XML files, you need to authorize separately. After a short time, you should be able to validate the package contents and download the package. We added all required information to our user guide and also to the in-product help to help you remove your dependence on Snow support and allow you to create packages on demand. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for listening.